In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to change the alarm sound on your iPhone. Whether you're tired of the default alarm sound or you just want to wake up to something more personalized, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. To change the alarm sound on your iPhone, you'll need to open the Clock app. The Clock app is a pre-installed app on all iPhones, so you don't need to download it from the App Store. Once you've opened the Clock app, tap on the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a list of all the alarms that you have set. Tap on the alarm for which you want to change the sound. Under the alarm settings, you'll see an option labeled Sound. Tap on the Sound option. You'll now see a list of all the available alarm sounds. You can scroll through the list and tap on any sound to preview it. If you want to use a song from your own music library as an alarm sound, you'll need to add it to your iTunes library first. You can also use third-party apps to create custom alarm sounds. Once you've found a sound that you like, tap on it to select it. Once you've selected a new alarm sound, tap on the back button. Now tap on the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. Your new alarm sound will now be saved. If you're happy with the new sound, you can close the Clock app. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the alarm sound on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.